We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make egg bites. First, in a blender, add 8 eggs and 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Gonna give that a blend to make it nice, smooth, and creamy. Now for the mix-ins, 1/2 cup of red bell pepper, 1/2 cup of cooked sausage, and some delicious fresh herbs, about 1 tablespoon. You're gonna stir those together. Delicious flavor and color and nutrients, all to put at the bottom of your muffin cups. Okay, to make the egg bites, add the mix-ins first. And you're gonna do an equal amount of mix-in per muffin cup. And then pour the egg mixture on top. It's about 1/4 cup of egg mixture per egg bite. Now for the water bath. We have this muffin container inside of a pan. We're gonna pour the water halfway up the muffin tin or muffin container and bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. This makes the egg bites nice and creamy and not overcooked or rubbery. Yuck. Okay, perfect there. Let them cool, release them, store them for later, a quick breakfast. Feel better to your taste.